From the main menu of ParkGuard, you can access the automatic mode, where you can view the different areas of the building that are ventilated. We select the basement we want to inspect. If the CO alarm is triggered, we can check whether the fans are running correctly. A red warning at the bottom will indicate where the alarm has been triggered and why. We go back to the main menu using the arrows. We then access the manual mode, which is password protected, where we can simulate the CO system and run a fan test. We select which CO system simulation we want to run, and we can see which fans are working in each case and at what speed. We observe that in Basement 2, CO levels are high, so the fans are running at high speed. In Basement 1, because there is a fire, the fans initially started at low speed and have now switched to high. We go back to the fan test, where we can test all the fans at the desired speed. By double-clicking, we can perform a test at high speed. Clicking on the eye icon allows us to see the operation of each selected fan and jet fan. We then go back 2 steps to return to the main menu and navigate to the maintenance section, which is also password protected. We find 5 sections. Fan management, which performs the same functions as the manual control we saw earlier. It allows us to manually turn on each fan, and we can also access the current status to see how the fans are working in each basement. Fan alarms motor overload, where we can check if any alert has been triggered that caused a motor to shut down and clear it if the issue has been resolved. Date and time adjustment for changing the ventilation schedule. Preventive maintenance for fans, which uses a color-coded system to indicate the status of the fans based on usage hours. Orange when they have reached half of their lifespan, red when they need urgent maintenance, and green when they are functioning properly. Maintenance log, where the date of the last maintenance performed on all the fans can be recorded. We go back 2 steps and access the technical service section, which is also password protected. Once this level is unlocked, all the previous levels become accessible, as this is the most restricted level. The technical service section is reserved for use by the manufacturer, Casals Ventilación. Here, the operating times of each scheduled counter in the system are shown. Additionally, there is a reset button for the operating hours of the fans, which is necessary when a machine, motor, or blade is replaced. In case of an emergency, the ParkGuard interface will display different screens that will lock the control panel, only responding to external signals, such as a fire emergency, in which case ParkGuard will automatically activate the system as programmed in the event of a fire. An emergency stop activated by the safety stop on ParkGuard, in which case the control panel will remain locked until it is manually reset. Or the system lock, implemented by the fire brigade to prevent the user from operating the control panel. ParkGuard, custom control panels for fire safety in car parks.